very simple. What kind of emotion or feeling you end up in that situation? What kind of, as a result of those situations, what kind of emotion do you finally have? But define it, like frustration, anger.
Yeah, self-rejection.
There you go. You have a program of rejecting yourself. Then you will have people who will reject you, and then you will reject yourself. It will give you a reference. Okay, I'm gonna try it again. Oh, they reject me. Oh, I reject myself. Because it's a program that it's like a circle that no matter what, the result will be the same. There is no way out.
Yeah, all the time I felt like I really did it wrong.
Because you love the feeling of punishing yourself. Yeah? You see?
Yeah.
Maybe you got it from your parents, when you were a child, and from there. But now you realize, hey, it's there, and you're laughing already.
Yeah.
That's a healing happening. Okay, so dive into it, embrace it, stay with it. Don't be in a hurry to get out. And next step is saying to the program, I don't need you anymore in my life. You are not necessary in my life. But you have to feel what you're saying. It's not like saying it like without having a meaning, you know. You have to actually feel what you're saying. You're not necessary. You don't need it in my life. Just use your own words.